Hi guys, good evening. So this is the continuation of my video. So we had already eliminated the vertical problem, but there is no picture. Okay, so earlier I found there was a burn somewhere here on the ribbon cable. So I thought that was the source of the problem and it will correct the problem, but still there is another problem arise. So there is no picture. So okay, so usually the problem on this scenario is the display or the lid itself. The lid display itself is a problem. There is a shortage. That's why we saw a discoloration here on this portion that we cleaned with alcohol. We eliminated the vertical problem, but the problem, another problem arises that there is no picture. So what we will do is to make a magic. So we'll try to condemn the shorted lead by condemning the connections here. So we will put some I have this Scotch tape. So we will condemn some of the connections here. See if it will work. Alright guys. Okay guys, so I'm trying to condemn the connections somewhere here on this ribbon cable. So to condemn the shorted lead. Okay, so let's try if it works, if it will works. Alright guys, so I tried to condemn connections here because I'm sure there is a shorted in the LED display because I saw a discoloration here. So I tried to condemn here, putting some Scotch tape and interchange, removing each ribbon cable, but still there is no picture. So there is no 28 volts, but there is negative 6 volts and the 13 volts it's present. So even if I hang this one, still 28 volts is missing and the negative 6 volt is present. So I tried to install this back and then remove also this ribbon and try to measure again the voltage. Still the 28 volts is missing and the negative 6 volts is present on the 13 volts. So because earlier here I saw a discoloration here, there is a burning, like there is a black residues. So it means there was a spark. So I suspect that the problem of this TV is the LED display or the beacon board. Okay, so even if I eliminated the vertical lines problem, but another problem arise, which is no picture. So I check uh, some videos in YouTube. Others are trying just to condemn here, putting some scotch tape, and they're able to solve the problem. But this one, I think I already done all the procedures, but there is no picture. So the problem is probably the lead display on this Deacon board. Right guys, so leave comment if you have any or other ideas. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.